How to log out of Facebook on all devices. Now let's say you want to log out your Facebook account to devices that you no longer have access to. All you have to do is to tap on this main menu right here and scroll down until you find Settings and Privacy. Once you see that, all you have to do is to click on that and tap on Settings. The next thing to do is to tap on Account Center and scroll down until we find Password and Security. We just have to tap on that and click on where you're logged in right here. So all we have to do is to tap on our Facebook account, let's say right here, and now we are able to see every account that we are currently logged into. Now in order for us to log out on all devices for this Facebook account, all we have to do is to tap on Select Devices to log out. And now we can select all devices that is currently logged into this specific Facebook account. And then we can pretty much tap on Log Out right here. And now if we tap on Log Out, we are currently logging out all devices that is currently logged into this specific Facebook account. So let's say we can also select one only right here and tap on Log Out right here and log it out. So that's how to log out of Facebook on all devices. Hope we help.